So that's what your box looks like. Let's get in this box now. Nice touch. No card out. Wow, this is small. This is small. I got a lot of the devices similar, and it's got that cool little satiny, smooth yet textured feel to it. You can see it. See what I'm talking about? Like almost like I can't think of the name of it right now, but yeah, rubber. It's got a rubber kind of feel to it. 18 watts. 65, 65, 265s, PDs. We're going to test that. So when you plug in AC in, all right, in the out, all right, it only has C2 out. And I don't have anything in C2 and A1, okay, AC, and then A1. I'm supposed to do so I'm gonna plug it in. Sorry. Plug it into this phone that I'm recording from. Okay, C1, C2, and AL. All right, so it's 15 watts. That's pretty good charge rate. It's probably another device. So I plugged it into a very power-hungry battery charger. Ooh, the fact that all these lights right here stay on right there, that means it's got 6 amps. You can see it went to 6 amps. All right, let's see what she'll do. All right, it's on 6 amps, so let's fire it up and see what she will do. The battery has only 1 bar. Let's see if it holds. Let's see what we're doing over here. I love that this thing has a readout. It says C2OCP. I'm gonna have to read the directions to see what that's about. Oh, it went out. So let's try it again. All right, it went to 0. Kind of do this with one hand, makes it complicated. All right, so C1, which is my cell phone, is 8 volts. Oh, it's tripping it. It can't handle that much demand, and I'm not even turning it on yet. It's just powered on. It's not even. There we go. All right, keeping real still, making sure I don't have any connection type issues that would cause that to happen by me moving the cell phone, which I'm holding it with my thumbs. I don't think so. All right, so the cell phone is charging. All right, at 16 watts. Let's see if we got 20 volts going into the charger. I'm going to change it from 6 amps. I'm going to go down to 1 amp. And so 20 volt, 1 amp. All right, we got 14 watts. That's healthy. This thing is supposed to put out 65 watts. So let's see. I'm going to stop that. Should 0 out. All right, did. I'm going to go down 2 amps. We should get a little bit more watts. There we go. 21. 27. I see the cell phone fluctuating a little bit. 17, 16. So that thing is pushing out 2 amps. 27 watts. That's pretty good. 20 volts. All right, let's stop that. Go down 3 amps. All right, 9 volts. 6, all right, look at the cell phone drop a little bit. Cell phone went back. 39, 40. Woohoo, it's cooking up 40 watts. I'm impressed. That's cool. That's good output. All right, I'm gonna stop that. Go back to 6 amps. I don't think it'll do it. Whew, and it went out. So it will do up to 3 amps, but won't catch the 6. Not quite getting with both devices, you can't really get 65 watts, but with one device, you probably could. Let's unplug this cell phone. All right. Yuck. Get focus U. All right, it says the OCP thing, whatever that means. Gotta look it up. All right, restarting. Plugged in good. All right, the device came on, showing 20 watts. All right, once it initiates completely, I'm not gonna show you that because it's gonna take too much time to focus. I'm on 6 amps. All right, let's go ahead and run it. Without the cell phone, of course. Just the battery charger, 64 watts. 65 watts. It is holding. So it is definitely putting out 65 watts. That's crazy. It stopped exactly at 65 and it is stable and steady and charging. Very happy for that. Very good device. I like it. If it doesn't last or if it burns out in a few times of trying to use it, because I am going to use it for charging these RC batteries quite a bit. And I'm sorry I even showed that what the battery was. But anyway, no importance of what it is. I charge a lot of different brands and, you know, they all kind of plug up the charger similar to this. And this is holding. And it actually went up a bar. That's, you know, really fast charge for this battery. So, good deal.